Runtime refers to the period of time when an application is running. For our purposes, it refers to the period of time where our HTML loads and our JavaScript runs dynamically on a web page. Runtime errors can be the result of programming errors or browser compatibility issues. Runtime errors typically send a message in the developer tools or console, giving developers some insight into a problem. Let's take a look at an example of a runtime error. This index.html page loads with no error messages. Let's test all of the links in the navigation bar. The contact page is not loading, as this says, cannot get. So let's see if we can find out why we are having this runtime error. I will open the console through selecting the F12 key on the keyboard to bring up the developer tools. And then select the console tab. Sometimes we will get specifics about an error. In this instance, contact is misspelled. So let's see if that file exists and determine if it is properly linked in the HTML. Back in the code, on line 27, we can see the link to the contact page. The HTML matches our error message, which we would expect. But the file that is being referenced is actually contact.html. I'll make that change. Now back at that index page, let's test that contact us link one more time. There we go. No runtime errors. For the exam, understand that runtime errors are not the same as syntactic errors or logical program flow errors. Rather, runtime errors happen during code execution. Examples can include loading HTML to a browser or processing user input.